So today, let's talk oral hygiene. I've put together 5 tips for you to get a whiter and healthier smile and hopefully save you from extra trips to the dentist. Number 1 is start taking flossing seriously. Yes, I'm talking to you. Flossing is arguably more important than brushing, and here's why. Flossing is the only way to clean in between your teeth, where food and bacteria get caught and lead the way to cavities. More importantly, flossing prevents gum disease, which is the leading cause of tooth loss in adults. Dentists recommend flossing at least once a day. It really doesn't matter when, just do it. I actually like to have little floss picks lying around. I actually like these ones the best. To have them in the car, on the coffee table, at work, so I can just floss whenever it's convenient for me. One other thing about flossing is making sure that you're doing it correctly. So I brought a little model so I can show you the C-shape method. So when you floss, make sure that you follow a C shape along the shape of the tooth. So you stick your floss in here and you brush it up against the tooth and pull it this way. And then do it on the other side and pull it against that tooth. Another really important thing is making sure that you're not flossing too aggressively. This can actually damage your gums. Don't be surprised if there is a little bleeding if you are just getting back into a flossing routine. This will stop after you start flossing more regularly. Number 2 is get your brushing up to twice a day if you really want to stop cavities. Brushing removes plaque and bacteria from the surfaces of your teeth. The longer your teeth go in between brushing, the more at risk they are of developing cavities. Brushing your teeth before bed is especially important because you don't want your teeth sitting in that bacteria and plaque all night long. And again, in the morning, at least out of common courtesy for your friends who you get in conversation range with. Number 3 is brush the right way, manual or electric. Let's go back in time and learn some fundamentals. First thing is be gentle. Your teeth don't need to be punished, and you can actually damage your enamel and your gums by brushing too hard. Alright, so if you're using a manual toothbrush, you should be going in small circles on the outside of your teeth, and you should be going back and forth on the occlusal side of your teeth. If you have an electric toothbrush, that doesn't really matter as much because the vibration or oscillation is doing the work for you. Either way, it's really important to get all of these surfaces. That means the front of the teeth, the side that touches your cheeks, the occlusal surface or the biting surface, and the insides of the teeth. That means the backs of the front teeth as well. A lot of people miss the back of the very last molar. Do not forget to brush your gums. A lot of bacteria can get caught on the gums, especially where the teeth meets the gums. So when you are brushing in those small circles or brushing with your electric toothbrush, make sure you get the gum line as well. Also, make sure you brush your tongue. That's where a lot of bad breath-causing bacteria can hide. And I like to brush my lips as well. I find it's really good exfoliating, and I don't get chapped lips as often. So manual or electric, it should take you about 2 minutes to finish brushing your teeth to make sure that you get every surface thoroughly. Number 4 is your mouth deserves the very best. So unless you've been otherwise instructed by your dentist, please stop damaging your teeth and gums with hard bristles and old brushes. Your toothbrush, manual or electric, should have soft bristles, and it should be replaced every 2 months. Your toothpaste should actually contain fluoride, which strengthens your tooth enamel. This is especially important for developing children whose teeth are still growing in. Last but not least, go to the dentist. Seriously, go! The sooner you get regular cleanings and checkups, the sooner you can stop decay and save money. Also at your exam, you should be asking questions and finding out from the hygienist and the doctor if there's any areas you can be brushing better, or if you should be flossing more or using a particular mouthwash. Well, those are my 5 ways to have whiter and healthier teeth. And to sum it up, that was floss, brush twice a day, and brush the right way. Make sure you are using the right toothpaste and toothbrush. Last but not least, go to the dentist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you don't miss out on all the dental fun. I will see you next week for another video.